students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School, that is Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated near Tehsil Chowk, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, due to heavy cold, from few days we are just going to the lecture video. In previous, I have already sent you the two videos of part 1 and part 2 of chapter 10, evaluation of AI. Okay, in this we have studied some topics, that is the conceptual era. Here, that is the conceptual era, then the early years. Okay, we have already studied the conceptual era, the birth of AI, and the early years 1956 and 1970. Today I am going to explain you the topic, that is the growth year 1980 to 1987 and the maturation year 1993 to 2011. So today we will study in this video these two topics. So let's start the topic. Just we will go through on it. So students, here the growth year 1980 and 1987. Okay, in this year, in the 1980s, the AI, AI, artificial intelligence paradigm shifted to symbolic AI and the so-called expert system or knowledge-based system. In 1980s, the AI paradigm shifted to symbolic AI, and so it is called the expert system or knowledge-based system. Okay, in 1980s, AI paradigm has shifted to the symbolic AI, and this symbolic AI is so-called expert systems or knowledge-based systems. The underlying concept was to convert human experts' knowledge in form of computer code and distribute it as a program to a large number of personal computer, that is PCs. Ellipse and Prolog were the main symbolic programming language. Here, whenever the underlying concepts are there, to convert the human expert knowledge in the form of computer code, it should be distributed it as a program to large number of personal computers. Means what happens when it has been shifted to the symbolic AI, it has been converted in human expert knowledge in the form of computer. It should be converted into the computer code, and this computer code has distributed in the programs as a large number of persons. Means mostly in each and mostly here it should be distributed this type of programs, this type of computer codes in the PC, that is personal computers. Lisp and Prolog were the main symbolic programming language, in which the Lisp and Prolog, these two are the main symbolic programming languages. Some key achievements here. Some key achievements of these periods are for this period. So some key achievements for these periods are starts from first is 1980 and second is 1983. We will go through the first one, that is 1980. The robot musician Robert II can converse with a person, read a normal musical score with its eye, that is camera, and play tunes of average difficulties on an electronic organs. See here, this is the Robert II robot. Okay. This robot, see, the robot musician Robert II has converts a person. He has converts a person, like he just react like a person. He read a normal music and then he score with its eye. You can say the camera of the robot is it can be a eyes, and play tunes of average difficulty on any electronic organ. And by reading the normal music scores, it can play the tunes. It can play the tunes at electronic by using the electronic organ. Yes, you can able to see here. It shows in the picture that how the Warbler Robot 2 has playing the tunes in the organic electronic organs. Okay, by doing just like a person, he is just reacting that like a robot 2 having. So this type of robot is known as the robot musician robot 2. Then in 1983 again see a IDE, that is an algorithm that generates a decision tree from a given set of data. IDE, that is an algorithm that generates a decision tree from a given set of data is created. Means whatever the set of data has been given, it should be generated with the algorithm. IDE is the precursor to the CA.4 algorithm used in machine learning and natural language processing. Okay, IDE is the precursor to the C4.5 algorithm used in machine. This type of C4.5 algorithm should be used in machine to learn the natural language processing. To learn how we can do the natural language processing, it should be used in the machines. Okay, then see a knowledge discovery. The second AI winter occurred between the second AI artificial intelligence winter occurred between 1987 and 1993. Between these, it should be occurred. Once again, inventors and governments stopped funding for AI. And then once again, what happened? The inventors and the government stopped funding for AI research due to high cost. Means for the invention of AI, there is too much of high cost. Other amounts are occurred. That's why they have inventors and governments have stopped to fund for the AI research. Okay. The expert system such as XCON was not very cost effective. Then okay, now next topic is the maturation year 1993. The maturation year 1993. So the maturation year 1992 to 2011. In the 1990s and 2010s, AI addresses complex problems. In the 1990s and 2010s, AI addresses, matlab it created the complex problems, providing solutions that were found to be used in different applications including data mining, industrial robotics, logistics, business intelligence, banking software, medical diagnosis, then recommendation systems and search engines. So AI researchers began to develop and use more sophisticated mathematical tools. So when the AI has been developed, these places, what I will tell you now, only these places like industries, mining, business intelligence, banking software, medical diagnosis, all these were search engines. In all this, it already in all this is the AI system has been inbuilt. It has been researcher. AI as a researcher to begin to develop and use the sophisticated mathematical tools. So again we have developed the AI, and these types of development should be done in these places. Okay. Then come to the, and also it have very useful for the mathematical tool. It has also created many mathematical tools to solve the mathematical problems. Now come to the topic, next point, that is 1995. So we will go through that. What's happened in 1995? In 1995, Kismet, a robot head was created by Dr. Sathya Brazil at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology as an experiment in affecting computing. Kismet could recognize and simulate emotions. See here, this is the Kismet, who is the head of the robot. This had been created by Dr. Saithya Brazil, which is in Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Then next, come to the next here. Next, in 1997. In 1997. So in 1997, IBM Deep Blue beat the world chess champion. Garry Kasparov and become the first computer to beat a world chess champion. In 1997, there is a IBM Deep Blue beat the world chess champion. IBM Deep Blue is which had beat the world chess champion, that is Garry Kasparov, and become the first computer to beat a world chess champion. And it become the first. It is the first computer who had beat the world chess champion. Then in 2000, Honda developed ASIMO. ASIMO stands for Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility. A humanoid robot with the ability to recognize moving objects. Honda developed, that is ASIMO. This is a human type of robots which have a capacity, which have a ability to recognize moving the objects. Which have a ability to recognize and move the objects from one place to the another. Postures, gestures, and whatever its surrounding environments, each and everything should be recognized by these types of robots. Even it can be organize the sounds and face also. See here, it could detect movements of multiple objects and determine distance and direction. It can also be detect the movements of multiple objects. Even more than one objects also it can be move from one place to another, also determine the distance and directions also. Even it can be able to clear the distance and directions. ASIMO interpreted voice command and human gesture and identify its companions. ASIMO is a interpreted voice commands, means whatever the orders we have, it's have a voice command. It can also speak. It's have a human body gesture. It can also have a identify. It can and it also be identified its companion. Means each and every type of qualities whatever the humans having, this ASIMO robot have. Okay, in 2002, I will show you the ASIMO robot how it can look like. It is in a book also. कोई बात नहीं, ले रही हूँ. So in 2024, see here, in 2024, NASA's Mars Exploration Rover spreads an opportunity land on Mars using the AI assisted navigation. I mean 2024 NASA's Mars Exploration Rover is there, which was landed on Mars by using the AI assisted navigation. Means with the help of AI assisted navigation, NASA has landed the NASA's Mars Exploration Rover, okay, and spread on the Mars. AI-based controls also help them perform better than their predecessors. Even AI-based controls have, whatever the robots having the AI-based, it is better than the other predecessors, those who have not having the AI. So this is the spirit and opportunity. Just here, this is the picture of the spirits and opportunity, okay, which is the rovers. which has been landed by the NASA on the Mars. Then in 2006, AI entered the business world. In 2006, then AI, that is artificial intelligence, has entered in the business world. Like companies like Facebook, Twitter, and Netflix also started using AI. At present time, each and every one persons are using the AI. You know, AI is that is artificial intelligence. It is now it is a daily use things. Now it is begin a daily use things in everyday. All the peoples are using in their everyday lives. So can you understand the AI's value? Okay students, so by this we are completing this video. Next topic I will explain you in the next video. Bye, take care, and just go through on it. Learn all the hard words of this chapter and read the chapter carefully.